Hello YouTube. So another tutorial. So how is it that you can reset your WordPress password through Cpanel? So let's say you're trying to reset your WordPress password from the WordPress page, but you're not receiving the email. So, okay, what do we do? So you need to go into Cpanel. So log into your Cpanel, log into your hosting, come down here to PHP My Admin. And then you have to find your website here. So if you have multiple websites and you're not sure which one is yours, you need to go to the WordPress installation section of your Cpanel. Click on the website and then find this information here. So WP367, we know this is the one I want. WP367 is here. And then we come down here to users. Okay, so we can see the information here. So what you want to do is click edit. And then you got the username here, password is here. So to change the password, all you need to do is go in and edit this. Okay, change that to what you want. But then before you click go, which is to save, you need to click this one and then MD5 to save. Okay, so once that's selected, click go and that will save it. Okay, so then that is your new password. So make sure that when you create the new password here, that you copy it and you save it and you paste it onto your notepad and you remember. Okay, so that's your username and then you reset it here.